making images from my imagination. You know, my dad was an artist and my grandpa was a painter, so I grew up with it. And, you know, we used to sit in front of the TV and all draw together as a family. So, you know, it was really impactful in my life.
I was a DJ. I worked a lot at night. Sort of felt that itch to do something else. And after some soul searching, the only thing that I was excited about doing was taking pictures.
And I would Photoshop myself into other places. And a lot of times it never even went online. I didn't care because it wasn't for necessarily the world. It was because I wished I was anywhere other than where I was.
I suppose academically I failed everything, so I was left with very few choices.
I was cater waitering. I'd work till 11, 12 o'clock at night, retouch until 3 or 4 in the morning. Even though I didn't really have the talent, I'd be willing to work when other people would sleep.
And at times I look at my work and I think, damn, I'm a shitty photographer. Fuck, it's nothing.
You know, you have this idea of what can be done because you're assisting, and you just can't create it.
You know, so often today as artists, I think we get ideas and we end up sitting on them and we don't follow through. I think we can be our worst enemies.
I was pretty bad at first, but like everybody else, it takes a couple years to get your footing.
When you first start out with doing anything, you know, you've got like 5 people, you know, one of those is your mum following you, and it's just like difficult to get accurate feedback.
You have to be willing to be rejected by the artwork, by yourself, by your peers.
We get worried what our peers are going to think. We get worried what the talent is going to think, or what the celebrity is going to think.
Life's too short. I'm gonna pursue my passion, something that I love. You know, as soon as I got that camera the first time, I kind of knew this is what I'm gonna do.
First struggling, then assisting full-time for 3 years, then struggling some more, then retouching, freelancing, getting my first job.
But I'll lay in bed and something will just pop in my head and I just go, what if? Wouldn't it be interesting if?
Try it It didn't work, throw it out. Try it didn't work, throw it out. Try it works, it doesn't work, throw it out.
You know, you don't become a great photographer, you don't become a great painter, you don't become a great sculptor without having some downfalls and going in the wrong direction.
I allow myself to fail because I like to fail, because I like to grow. But you have to decide that you want it, because it's not easy to be great at anything.
Even though I'm not at the place I want to be, I'm still moving forward.
Nobody's going to love everything that we do, but I think you have to take a chance.
Oh, the best job in the world is photography, for sure.